Hi, welcome back to my garage. Please like the video and subscribe to help me grow my channel. Today we will learn how to adjust a loose chain, how to clean it properly, and how to maintain it. So stick around. I think you'll find this video very helpful. Stand if our chain is too loose or is it too tight. To do that, take a measuring tape, pull up your chain and check the distance. 62. Twist your wheel to check it a few times. 64. So I have around 62 millimeters distance. Check in your motorcycle guide what is the preferred distance. For my motorcycle it's 58 millimeters. So my chain is too loose, as you can tell. Also check your sprockets for any damage, for any wear and tear in the back and in the front. If anything is broken and you need to change it, then I would suggest change all two sprockets and also a chain, so the wear and tear will happen simultaneously for all the parts. So to adjust our chain, we need to unscrew this knot, but not all the way, just loosen it up. We need to unscrew this knot, and this second knot actually tightens it. If you move it this way, that way you tighten your chain. If you screw it this way, then you lose it up. We need to tighten it, so we are moving this way. You have to tighten your knot from both sides, and it's important to have them exactly the same, and these lines here will help you do that. Once you have done it, make sure all your knots are tight from both sides, the big one and two small ones from both sides. And you can, just to be sure, measure your chain tension once again, just to be sure you did everything correctly. Now that we know that our chain is perfectly fine, all the parts are good to go, we are gonna clean the chain. First I clean with the rag and the warm water with soap. To remove all the dirt from the chain. I washed my chain with the soap and the rag or whatever you use. I'm gonna apply a chain cleaner and this beautiful brush. The way I do it, I spray on top of the chain the cleaner. And then I apply this brush. I'm not sure if this is the best way. Maybe you can comment below or how you do it, but this works pretty well for me. And then I go through each and clean them very properly. After we clean our chain, we need to apply a loop. There are different loops. This is the wet for cross trail and off the road. I ride a lot in a forest, so it works perfectly for me. Apply the same technique, or I apply exactly the same technique. And again, if there is a better way or to do it, let me know in the comments. how you adjust, clean and maintain your chain. Chain is one of the parts that wears down the most, so we have to take a really good care of it. I really hope you like the video. Please stay tuned for more. See you later.